What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to open Capital One 360 checking account. First thing you should do is to open Capital One website, then go to checking and savings, just hover over it, then go to find the bank account and click on view all checking accounts. After that, scroll down till you find this option right here, 360 checking, then click on open 360 checking. Now it's asking you if you have a Capital One account already or not. So I'm gonna click on no because I don't have an account. Then it will ask you to fill in some information. You have to enter your first name and last name, then click on continue. Then here you have to enter your email address, click on continue. Then you have to enter your mobile phone number, then click on continue. After that, they will ask you to fill in your address, then enter your state. And now here you have to put your ZIP code. After that, click on continue, then choose your country citizenship. I'll leave it to the United States of America, click on continue. Then here you should choose your current employment status. I'm gonna click on unemployed, for example. Then it will ask you about your annual income. You have to choose your annual income. I'm gonna choose this one. Now you have to type your birthday. Then here you should type your social security number. After that, click on continue. Then here you should check this box in order to check all the other boxes. Then click on continue. And now here, as you can see, it will ask you about the tax certification. I'm gonna click on no, I'm not subject to backup withholding. Then go down and click on I certify that tax certification. Then click on continue. And now here, as you can see, it will also give you your information back and see if you want to edit something or not in order to make sure that all your data is correct. And after that, click on open my account after checking all the information. Then after that, they will show you a message here that they says that they need more information, but after you enter the correct data, it will show you that your account is approved and you can simply deal with the account. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.